Check this out, guys. This is another textbook trade. Here's how to make money in the Forex market. It's a simple strategy anyone can use on any currency pair. We discussed it in our group. What we're going to do is put a lipstick on, show you how to trade it. If you find value, please like, please subscribe, and please do share the video. If you have any questions or comments, please ask in the comment section below. It's a fabulous trade strategy. Let's get through the disclaimer and break down the trade with lipstick on. Hey there, traders. Good morning. Well, it's morning here in the UK anyway. But check this trade out. Another phenomenal trade. I'm going to put the lipstick on in a minute, but I mean, can you see it? Seriously. You know, we're taking advantage of these trades on a regular basis. You can see what happened next. Anyway, let's put a lipstick on and let's break down this trade in its glorious detail. Just to point out that we don't just randomly, see a trade and then oh, because it happened in hindsight, we're then showing you. Check this out, guys. Here's our channel. It's the Day Trade for a Living chat box. This particular trade textbook, I had mentioned to the traders in the room from July 27th that the dollar Swissy was on the watches. We knew this trade was occurring. Here's the guys, they're having their chat. So I mean, and that's what we do. Everybody posts their ideas, and and here it is. Mentioned this trade has been on the watch list from last week, and here we see what can only be described as a textbook execution of what can only be described as a most beautiful trade setup. Let's get to the detail, guys. Let's get to the detail. Okay, traders. Well, here's the blank screen. Okay, here's what we see happening. It was from the 27th where I mentioned to the guys that this particular currency pair was on the watch list. Okay, and basically I just stalked the trade. Trend line break is what we're looking for. Once we get the trend line break, we're going to put the fib on. Once we put the fib on, we're going to dress the chart. This is the lipstick literally going on right now. We're looking for the pullback entry. That's our entry number one. Okay. And then we're looking for our entry number two. Okay, this is textbook. You'd have seen that we did this the other day on the Japanese yen. Entry number two. And then we're going to figure out our targets. And here we have target one. It is so simple. If you just do this all the time, it's going to work out. It's just going to work out for you. And then we have target number two. Okay. I'm literally marking up the chart in front of your face so you can see exactly what I do. Okay, target number two. Break of the trend line. Well, I'm in. Okay. On the chart, it's done with a bit more precision because you can see, right? Break of entry, break of the trend line. I'm in. You see this, you might put you go to that fractal there. So there might be a little bit of, but I'm in here. Just know that I'm in, okay? Targets up here. I will always take off profit a little bit before the actual number. A little bit before the actual number, okay? Pullback entry, if it happens, good. If it doesn't happen, as we saw there, it didn't, then, hey, it's not a problem. We got entry number two, and that's where we're going to get make money regardless. Stop loss is down here. Okay, as you just below the 0-0 line, it never got affected. This is just a beautiful trade setup, something that you've seen me use now with the videos that we've been sharing time and time and time again. And I'll continue. Been using it for the past 5 years. And look, it's still working. It's still working. It's just what the market does. The patterns repeat themselves over and over and over and over again. Okay, this is actually a 30-minute chart. The currency pair we're looking at here is the dollar Swissy. It's an interesting pair, is that one, dollar Swissy, see right there. I put it on the 30-minute time frame because if we go to the 15, it just stretches out the page a bit much. But we do trade from the 15. We trade from the 15-minute chart. Here you are. So yeah, as you can see, down, down, down. Let's have a look. There you go. So you can just read the market as it's happening. That's what you do, guys. Look, have a look. Just read the market as it's happening. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up. Didn't go down, down. It went up, up, up. Okay. Down, down. What's next? Up, up, up. Way McDonald. That's where I get that. Up, 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 down. That's where I get that from. Way McDonald. Got to give credit to traders that have helped us along the way. Okay. And there we are. We noticed the break in the market structure right here when the trend line broke. Down, down. So what we expected was up, up. And that's what we did. We traded the up, up. Hope you enjoyed, guys. I try to be very brief with these videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. I'll be sure to respond. Guys, it's a textbook strategy. I encourage each and every one of you to get the book. Join the trade group. We're predicting these trades before it even happens. Right now, the prediction is on gold. Gold is at all-time highs. It's practically vertical. That's going to be a huge trade, okay? So don't miss out on that one. Thank you for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.